Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word sneaky, its meaning, definition and the example. Sneaky. The definition of sneaky is someone who is deceptive or sly, or is something secret and reluctant. The synonyms of sneaky are devious, surreptitious, deceitful, underhanded. Now let me show the example of sneaky word in sentences are. In point of fact, he is worse because he is so bloody sneaky. It's just too sneaky, you can never be really sure about what's on side. It's just too sneaky, you can never be really sure about what's inside. They are small, black and quite sneaky in that they live in the soil. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.